This is the Xiaomi Mi TV Stick. Now this device gave a whole new purpose to my basic LED TV and allowed it to access the internet with one click.
Yes! That's awesome!
So you see, instead of buying a smart LED TV, I can just plug this one, stick it, turn the TV on even if it's a basic LED TV, and voila! Instant smart LED TV. So today on this episode, we will unbox it, rate it, tell you everything that we love and hate about it, and make sure to watch the full video because at the end, we'll give you the tips on how to resolve some issues that you may encounter on this device. So again, this is the unboxing and review of the Xiaomi Mi TV Stick. Stick around guys, and we'll be right back. So yes, as the name suggests, this channel is about call center talk, but even if you're not a BPO worker or you don't work in a call center, I hope you would consider subscribing because we review a lot of things in this channel, including this device and a couple of headsets, gadgets, everything under the sun. Now going back to our device. So again, today we're unboxing the Xiaomi TV Stick that I bought from a popular online store here in the Philippines. This one costs 2,000 pesos in the Philippines. That's $25 if you're in the US. A good deal if you'd ask me, as compared to buying an Android TV box that you see in the same market that almost does the same thing. So what you get here is a very impressive packaging. This box needs no bubble wrap, as the unit and the components are very safe inside. So what we get here is the HDMI stick, the charger cable, the adapter, the fancy remote control, and the manuals. Right off the bat, we know right away that this is a well-built piece of technology that's worth every penny. So setting up is easy. Just plug the HDMI stick on one of your HDMI port. The power can be drawn from the USB port on the same TV, which most basic LED TVs have, so that's not a problem at all. I do hope though that they are all on the same side so you wouldn't have to find a very long cable. The problem though is how to insert the stick on your TV. You see, this HDMI stick is wider compared to some regular HDMI cables, so you have to make sure that you have a wide clearance on your HDMI port, that you won't hit anything or else it's not gonna be inserted. An issue I had with my Sony TV.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
But if that's a problem, find another HDMI port on your TV, which most of the time is on the back side of the TV. The back port may not be an option if the TV is wall mounted. So whatever your problem may be, you can find quick solutions by buying some HDMI adapters or cable extensions out there, so you won't be disappointed with your purchase. I do suggest that you buy the same time that you buy the Xiaomi TV sticks so you can save on the shipping fee. But if your TV is on a tabletop with a wide and huge clearance at the back, then you can simply insert it at the HDMI port at the back, provided there's enough clearance. Again, because just like what I said, it is quite wide. Otherwise, use an adapter. You can use a straight adapter or an angled adapter, just like what you see in here. So once we have the issue out of the HDMI port out of the way and the HDMI is plugged in, everything is a breeze. The rest is pretty self-explanatory, and you simply just have to click on the things you agreed on and the things you disagree, pretty much what you do with your boyfriend or girlfriend. So the stick comes with the built-in shortcuts for Netflix and Amazon Prime. YouTube is also pre-installed, so you can immediately test how good your internet connection is and if it's working properly. Chromecast comes free on the stick as well, so you can easily mirror your Android phone. Lucky for you. Now, there will be times when you'll experience the same problem many of us had on Android TVs. Sometimes we have problems connecting with the Wi-Fi network, but if you find that even though you're connected on the Wi-Fi, there are no data streaming on your device, or you're not connected to the internet at all. When this happens, our suggestion is that you make sure that you set the correct date and time on your device or Android TV. Once you have that corrected, select Auto Update through Network and you are all set. This is one of the pain that I've found on this internet device. It's that whenever I have to shut down the TV together with the internet stick, the default time always goes back to a later date, which means you have to update it every time you turn on your TV. A pain in the ass if you ask me, which I hope can be resolved with a quick update from Xiaomi. But once you're connected with the internet, set up your YouTube, Netflix accounts, and you're good to go and stream all day long and binge watch your favorite program. Now I can imagine the look on your face for those iPhone users. Now practically there shouldn't be an issue because you can install most of available streaming apps in the market. But what do you do if you want to mirror your iPhone or an iPad? What you want to do is install AirPlay on the Xiaomi TV Stick so you can screencast or mirror your phone to your newly built smart TV, similar to what Android phones do with the Chromecast. Just install, start the app, and then on your phone, select the AirPlay device, then you're all set. Note that in some device, HBO Go won't let you mirror their content, but I'm surprised that on this one, I absolutely had no problems streaming HBO Go. Now the next section is for kids or who are wannabe kids. What if you wanted to do something fancy and push the device to the next level? You can mirror your games from your phone as well to your new smart TV. Note that even though that it works, you will notice a lot of lagging, especially with graphics heavy games. What my kid is playing right now is Modern Warfare on mobile device, which is really heavy on graphics, so you may want to tone it down a bit and play a much simpler game. It's playable, but it's not a great experience. But still, what do you expect at a $25 internet device? So there goes our unboxing and short demo of the Xiaomi TV Stick. I'd say this is really a great buy. The only question now is how long will it last? The box didn't come with a warranty card and the product page only says 1 month manufacturer's warranty, which I hope we wouldn't need. So there you go. Honestly, I love everything about this device. Now, there are counterparts. What are your choices? Of course, you can get the Xiaomi TV boxes or any other brand that are knockoffs of the same brand. Now, the only difference is that this device can only stream 1080p, which is full HD, unlike those Android TV boxes, which allows you to stream content in 4K. Now, is it a deal breaker? Of course not. Because why? 4K resolution requires a lot of things. First off, your TV must be 4K capable. Second is your plan, whatever your Netflix, HBO Go, or YouTube plan is. If you ever you pay a monthly subscription, you have to really have a plan that will stream 4K content. Third is the internet connection. Now, your internet must really be capable of streaming 4K content, otherwise it will just downgrade it to Full HD or 1080p. To find out, just run a speed test of your internet connection, and I reckon at least it should be 10 to 15 Mbps consistently to be able to enjoy 4K resolution. Another thing that Android TV boxes have advantage of is that they have USB ports. I'm not sure what those are for. Probably you can plug in your hard drive, maybe you can easily download content, or you can easily update the device. I'm not sure yet because I don't own one. But as far as I know, this Xiaomi stick is more than enough for my need right now. Okay, so one more thing I like about the device is that it's so small you can conceal it at the back of your TV. Now it is not, of course, without flaws. In my experience, when going back to the issue with connecting the internet on your Android TV, I find that if you plug the power source of this TV stick to your TV and you turn it off, the device somewhat factory resets itself, which means that the device's date and time resets to the way it was out of the box, and that's really a pain that you have to manually set the time and date over and over again whenever you activate or whenever you turn on your TV. That is, of course, if your device is getting its power source from the USB from the TV itself. The solution that I found is that I had to directly plug the Xiaomi stick to a power source. That way, it can still go on somewhat an idle mode or standby mode, that it does not have to do a factory reset on itself. That way, the date and the time stays up to date, and I wouldn't have any problem at all whenever connecting to the internet and when I turn on the TV. So there goes our short, I'm not sure if that's exactly short, of our unboxing and quick review of the Xiaomi Mi TV Stick. If you have any questions, please comment below. If you liked the video, please hit like and please consider subscribing to the channel. We have a lot more things to discuss. That's it for today. Have a good day and be safe.